The original Stomp Rocket. Air-powered excitement. Now in a rainbow of colors. Stomp Rockets provide hours of healthy, active play. The launcher is easy to assemble and no batteries are required. Kids can adjust the launcher to experiment with trajectory and force. These rockets soar to 100 feet. As always, Stomp Rockets provide screen-free playtime and year-round fun. Plus, the yellow rockets glow in the dark. The new Stomp Rocket Junior Rocket Set. Get your Stomp Rockets today and blast off!